Hey there, buddy. It's all right, I'm here to help. Hang on, little guy. I see ya. Hey there, buddy. It's okay. Come on, you're safe now. Come to me. It's okay, buddy. Good boy. I've got you. All right, I got you. You're safe now, buddy. You're safe.
He hugs him close to his chest. The puppy stops his violent shivering as he feels the human's warmth.
You're a brave one, aren't you? We're gonna get you some food soon. Hey there, buddy. Look at this. Want some treats? Yeah, here you go. Here you go, little friend. It's okay. We're going home, buddy. We're finally safe. Ugh. All right, buddy, hold steady. We're almost safe. Almost there, pal. Just a little farther. There you go. Nice and dry. You did good, little guy. Get some water in you. Good boy. You're all right now. You're a survivor, buddy. You're gonna be just fine. Hey there, buddy. Let's take a look at this paw, okay? You did so well up on that roof. Just checking for any little cuts. Okay, just breathe easy now. Let me check this rhythm. You're doing just fine. You're doing great, buddy. Let's get you dry. There you go. That feels good, doesn't it? You're doing great. Easy does it, buddy. There's plenty more. Time for bed, little hero. There you go, buddy. You're safe now. Everything is okay.
I've got something, buddy. I've got a name.
Hello, can you hear me? I have your dog, buddy. We're at the medical tent.
Please confirm if this is the number for his owner.
Yes, I have him. I have Buddy. Come on, buddy. We're going on a ride.
Come on up, little guy. You're all right. Nice soft blanket for you.
There it is. We made it, buddy. All right, buddy. Looks like we made it.
Buddy!
Oh my goodness, he's here.
Go get him, buddy.
He's here! Look how fast he is!
Come here, sweetie.
Buddy! Oh my goodness, buddy, you're finally home!
He's licking my face.
I found him on a roof about 10 miles north of here.
We thought we'd never see him again. Thank you doesn't seem like enough.
He's a tough little guy. He did most of the work.
Here's the number for the clinic. They have all his records from the shelter.
Take care of him, buddy.
Unit 4, do you copy? We have a report of a stranded horse in Sector 9.
Copy that. Proceeding to Sector 9 now.
Unit 4 copies. I'm 3 miles out from Sector 9. En route now.
Easy there, big fella. I'm here to help.